Living frugally doesn't mean living a cheap or bad quality life. It means being mindful of your expenses and finding ways to cut unnecessary costs without sacrificing your standard of living. In this video, we will provide tips and tricks for living frugally without sacrificing your quality of life. The first step towards living frugally is creating a budget plan. This will help you identify your expenses, set priorities, and make necessary adjustments. Identify your monthly expenses, divide them into categories, and review your spending habits. This will make it easy to see where you can cut costs. Cooking at home is a great way to save money without sacrificing the quality of your meals. Eating out frequently is expensive and can increase your monthly expenses, but cooking at home can cut food expenses significantly. Planning meals ahead of time and cooking in bulk can save you time and money. Buying second-hand items is a great way to save money. Many items such as clothes, furniture, and household appliances are still in great shape and can be bought for a great price. Shopping at thrift stores, garage sales, and online stores are great options to consider when looking to save money. Reducing energy consumption can not only help you save money, but it is also environmentally friendly. Simple steps such as turning off lights and unplugging electronics when not in use can significantly reduce your energy bill. Installing energy-efficient light bulbs and appliances can also help you save money in the long run. Exchanging your skills with others can not only save you money but can also be a great networking opportunity. If you have a skill or talent such as cooking, cleaning, or even graphic design, you can exchange your services with someone else who may have a skill you need. This will allow you to save money on services while getting things done. Living frugally doesn't mean sacrificing the quality of your life. It's all about being mindful of your expenses and finding ways to cut costs without sacrificing your standard of living. Implement these tips and tricks into your daily routine and you'll see significant savings without any quality of life sacrifices.